constant innovation and risk management. The need to constantly innovate can be a source of stress for the leader, especially when balancing creativity with risk management. Innovating means venturing into the unknown, which can lead to sleepless nights as the leader questions whether the innovative decisions will be effective or if the risks will be too high. In the solitude of the night, the leader reflects on the bets they are making in the name of innovation. They wonder if the new ideas they are pushing will bring the desired results or if they are endangering the stability of the organization. The night brings back memories of past innovations that triumphed and others that failed. These memories generate a mix of excitement and fear as the leader prepares to implement new ideas that could define the future of the organization. Although leading innovation can seem like a solitary burden, it is a responsibility shared by many leaders. In their sleepless nights, each leader becomes John Doe, facing the uncertainty of innovation and the possibility that the risk may not always be worth it. Imagine an innovation map guiding you through the terrain of innovation, with clear signs indicating areas of higher risk and those with the most promise. This map helps you navigate the balance between creativity and caution, ensuring that your decisions are well-founded and aligned with the long-term goals of your organization.